Far beneath the ocean, the seafloor moves. Some earthquakes happen underwater, along subduction zones below, where one tectonic plate descends and powerful stresses grow. If the seafloor shifts vertically, a massive volume of water moves, sending energy across the ocean in long waves that continue through. Across the sea, across the deep, the energy travels without sleep. Tsunamis crossing the ocean wide. Tsunamis powered by forces deep inside. Not a single giant wave, but a series moving on. Tsunamis carrying energy for miles beyond. In deep water they may pass unnoticed, traveling hundreds of kilometers per hour. Yet as they approach a coastline, their height can begin to tower. The slowing water near the shore causes wave heights to increase, creating dangerous flooding before the energy starts to decrease. Warning systems help communities respond when danger may be near, using seismic data and ocean sensors to provide alerts and preparedness measures. Across the sea, across the deep, the energy travels without sleep. Tsunamis crossing the ocean wide. Tsunamis powered by forces deep inside. Not a single giant wave, but a series moving on. Tsunamis carrying energy for miles beyond. Earthquakes, landslides, volcanoes too. Several events can start them moving through the oceans of our world. From the seafloor to distant shores, tsunamis reveal the power beneath.